So, in your first initial meeting with a deaf individual, oftentimes I've shared with you guys if you're going into a deaf event or a deaf social, a deaf person might approach you with a little bit of hesitation and an inquisitive facial expression, and they'll ask you, they'll want to know who you are, what your connections are, and whatnot. Um, at some point in the conversation, normally towards the end, if it's with a deaf person who their culture is that of the deaf community. If they're a deaf person who's bilingual and bicultural and they recognize that you're hearing right off, they may, in the beginning, make a cultural adjustment to accommodate you and ask you what your name is. But typically, in just a general conversation with a deaf person for the very first time, the name happens at the very end. And that sign for name is so it's or name yours or name you. So you are named what? As you're signing with them, at some point you may need to tell them, slow down. Your dominant hand on top of your non dominant, and it pulls it back. Slow. You may also need to tell them, me learning, the process of learning, it's a new thing. Me sign, fluent. So, fluent, not. Slow down. You may also need to ask them to repeat themselves. I didn't understand. Understand? Didn't understand. And then there's other common little phrases that you'll see like, hi, how are you, which you've learned. Good morning. Here's your horizon, and here's the sun coming up. And if you're asked, how are you, you can respond, doing good, I'm fine, I'm okay, or doing well, tired, sick. You choose.